What are you doing, kitty? You bad cat, kitty. Luna, is the cat so bad? Kitty's being really bad to you. Look, trying to fight you. Why are you trying to fight Kitty, huh? I mean, Luna. Were you trying to fight Luna? Kitty? Lilo? Luna, are you scared of Kitty? I know. Kitty is trying to fight you. What are you doing, Kitty? Kitty, what are you doing? Luna's over here just she's always happy. Right, Luna? She's never fighting with nobody. Just always. Look at her. Trying to find people she's fighting. Bad Lilo, bad Lilo, bad Lilo. What are you doing? See? Trying to fight with Luna. Why are you trying to fight Luna?